The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike stands as one of the most ambitious creations from Honda's engineering team, blending legendary Gold Wing touring comfort with the practicality and stability of a three-wheel design. For decades, the Gold Wing has symbolized luxury and innovation in the motorcycle world, often referred to as the king of touring bikes. But in trike form, the 2025 Gold Wing takes on a whole new identity, delivering the same spirit of adventure, power, and refinement, now with the added confidence of three wheels. Riders who once worried about handling a heavy touring motorcycle on long-distance rides, or those who simply want a different kind of road experience, can now embrace the Gold Wing's full package without compromise. This trike is more than just a motorcycle with an extra wheel, it's a statement of freedom redefined. At the heart of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is the same legendary 6-cylinder, 1,833cc liquid-cooled engine that has made the Gold Wing a household name among touring enthusiasts. This engine has been refined over the years to deliver buttery smooth acceleration, immense torque at low RPMs, and consistent power delivery across the rev range. It produces around 124 horsepower and an impressive 125 pound-feet of torque, giving the trike effortless acceleration even when fully loaded with a passenger and luggage. On highways, the Gold Wing Trike glides effortlessly, and thanks to Honda's engineering mastery, the ride is incredibly quiet and vibration-free. Pair this with Honda's DCT, the dual-clutch transmission system, which is now in its latest generation, and you have a touring trike that takes convenience to new heights. Riders can choose between fully automatic shifting for relaxed cruising or manual paddle shift style controls for a more engaging ride. The transition between gears is seamless, making long journeys smoother and less fatiguing than ever before. What makes the Gold Wing Trike so appealing to a broader audience is the stability it offers. While the two-wheeled Gold Wing requires skill, confidence, and strength to maneuver, especially at low speeds or when parking, the trike takes away that challenge. The added rear wheel means no more balancing at traffic lights, no fear of tipping when navigating uneven terrain, and no struggles when carrying a passenger and full luggage. For riders who have loved motorcycles their entire lives but find the physical demands harder to meet as years pass, the Gold Wing Trike becomes a new doorway to keep the passion alive. Yet, it's not just for older riders. Many younger touring enthusiasts are embracing trikes for the unique style, the feeling of cruising with stability, and the ability to carry more without sacrificing comfort. The chassis of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike has been specifically designed to handle the weight distribution and demands of three-wheel travel. Unlike aftermarket conversions that often compromise handling, Honda has engineered the trike platform to be perfectly balanced. The suspension system uses a double wishbone front design paired with a sophisticated rear setup to ensure smooth handling on highways, mountain roads, or uneven surfaces. Cornering feels natural thanks to precise engineering, and even though trikes handle differently than motorcycles, leaning isn't part of the equation. Honda has ensured that riders feel secure, planted, and in control. The braking system is equally robust, with linked ABS and powerful disc brakes on all three wheels, giving riders confidence in sudden stops or emergency situations. Comfort has always been the hallmark of the Gold Wing, and the trike version amplifies that reputation. The seats are wide, plush, and ergonomically shaped for long-distance travel. Heated seats and grips come standard, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The passenger gets equal attention, with armrests, a high backrest, and their own set of comfort controls. Wind protection is second to none, with a large electronically adjustable windscreen that allows riders to adapt airflow on the fly. The aerodynamics are carefully tuned to reduce buffeting, keeping both rider and passenger relaxed even at higher speeds. With three wheels, storage capacity expands even further. The Gold Wing Trike features large saddlebags, a spacious trunk, and additional compartments for smaller items. Touring riders can pack for weeks at a time without worry, making this machine ideal for cross-country adventures. Technology is another area where the 2025 Gold Wing Trike truly shines. Honda has packed this touring flagship with features that elevate every ride. A large TFT display dominates the dashboard, integrating navigation, audio, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Riders can stream music, take calls, and follow maps with ease, all while keeping their hands on the bars thanks to voice commands and intuitive handlebar controls. The sound system is high fidelity, designed to deliver crystal clear audio even when cruising at highway speeds. Safety features also take center stage, with traction control, riding modes, adaptive cruise control, and even a hill start assist system that prevents the trike from rolling backward on inclines. LED lighting ensures maximum visibility, and Honda's attention to detail means every feature works seamlessly together to enhance the overall touring experience. The styling of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is as bold as it is elegant. Honda has given it a sculpted body that balances aerodynamics with road presence. The front end carries the unmistakable gold wing look with a sharp, modern headlight design, while the rear is wide and muscular, reflecting the trike's solid stance. Chrome accents, sleek lines, and premium finishes make it stand out in any crowd. Available color options include deep metallic reds, jet blacks, pearl whites, and Honda's signature blue, each paired with premium trim packages to match individual tastes. This is not just a machine, it's a piece of rolling art that turns heads wherever it goes. But perhaps what makes the Gold Wing Trike most special is the way it transforms the riding experience. It opens up motorcycling to those who may have never considered it before, while also extending the riding life of longtime enthusiasts. It is a perfect blend of freedom, safety, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're carving through scenic mountain roads, cruising along coastal highways, or embarking on a cross-country journey, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike promises an unforgettable adventure every time. The trike segment has been growing steadily, and Honda's entry into this market with a factory-engineered solution shows how seriously they take rider demand. Instead of leaving trike conversions to aftermarket builders, Honda provides a model that is fully tested, warrantied, and supported by their global dealer network. This means peace of mind for buyers and the assurance that every part of the trike has been designed to Honda's exacting standards. Owning the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is about more than just transportation, it's about embracing a lifestyle. It appeals to those who value comfort, security, and practicality without sacrificing the thrill of the open road. With its unmatched engineering, luxury, and technology, it represents the pinnacle of three-wheeled touring. Riders will find that every detail, from the smoothness of the drivetrain to the placement of storage compartments, has been meticulously thought out. It's a machine that respects the Gold Wing's rich heritage while boldly moving into the future.